Meal planning used to be a real pain for the Bounce family because it was so time-consuming. They wanted to eat out less, eat together as a family more, spend less money on groceries, plus eat healthier foods at home. They already had piles of recipe books and handwritten calendars and shopping lists, but meal planning each week still took hours. They knew there had to be a better way. And with a team effort from Lisa and Clint, Plan to Eat was born. In just a few minutes a week, you can create your own digital recipe book, where you can input your family favorites and clip recipes from anywhere online. From there, you can customize and categorize them, and then add them to a meal planning calendar. And an organized shopping list is automatically created, so you won't forget anything ever again. Your meal plan can be created around your schedule and diet, plus it's fully customizable. Because we know life is unpredictable. So why not see what Plan to Eat can do for you? We know that you'll save money, waste less food, take control of what you eat, and you'll always know what's for dinner. Sign up today for a free no-strings-attached trial.